Excessive armpit sweating is a problem for a lot of people. In fact, you don't have to suffer from hyperhidrosis, the medical condition where people sweat significantly more even when there is no reason to know how inconvenient and embarrassing excessive underarm sweating can be. Aside from excess perspiration, underarm sweating usually also comes with a distinctive body odor. This makes the challenge of controlling sweating much more difficult. Not only do you worry about sweating, but you also worry about smelling bad. Antiperspirants and deodorants are the most common treatment option for excessive armpit sweating. You can buy them from just about anywhere, in drugstores, convenience stores, supermarkets. But probably as a result of their popularity, they're also one of the most misused products. This is why a lot of people use antiperspirants and deodorants and get disappointed when these products don't perform the way they expected them to. The first thing we need to understand is the difference between antiperspirants and deodorants. Both can be used on the underarms, but what they do widely differs. Antiperspirants, as the name suggests, stops you from producing sweat. The active ingredient in antiperspirants get absorbed into the duct of the sweat glands, causing them to absorb more water and swell. When this happens, the opening to the skin is blocked, thus preventing sweat from escaping onto the surface. Deodorants, on the other hand, addresses body odor. The active ingredient in deodorants changes the environment on the skin surface to make it unpleasant for the bacteria that is naturally present there. The bacteria, when it reacts with the fats and proteins from underarm sweat, produces a distinct odor. If bacteria is kept away, no reaction takes place, hence no body odor. Deodorants, however, will not do anything to minimize sweating. A lot of people mistakenly load up on antiperspirants and deodorants throughout the day, thinking that this is the best way to make sure the products work well. On the contrary, proper timing and modest product application will actually work better. Here are steps you can take to use these products properly. Antiperspirants are best applied at nighttime before retiring to bed. First thing you need to do is wash the underarms with water and soap. Dry the area thoroughly. Pat with a towel and fan afterwards to make sure no moisture is left behind. Apply the antiperspirant on the skin. 2 swipes for roll-ons or a couple of sprays for antiperspirant sprays should be sufficient. Wait for the product to dry before putting on your PJs. In the morning, wash your underarms thoroughly with water and soap. Dry the area thoroughly. Pat with a towel and fan afterwards to remove any trace of moisture. Apply a product that's both an antiperspirant and a deodorant on your underarm. 2 swipes for roll-ons or a couple of sprays for sprayed-on products should be enough. Let the product dry before you put on your shirt. The key to applying these products to make sure they get absorbed by the skin is to apply it on skin that's clean and dry. If you find that you need to apply antiperspirants and deodorants throughout the day, then make sure you clean the area and dry it thoroughly before applying any product. When dealing with excessive sweating, it's all about finding the right routine and treatment that works for you. To find the right treatment for your problem, Download a free report at stopsweatingmagic.com/free-report.html. Learn if excessive sweating points to an underlying medical condition. Learn what you should do and what treatments are available. Download your free report and magically stop excessive sweating today.